Tata bụ Tuesday, 20th of January, ka m wetere sad news. That's na Ogbunigwe, ndị IPOB ESN likasịrị na Lọsụ. I have been saying it in Oda village, Edenta Widemmili, and Ihitokwa. That na-ewere Ogbunigwe likasị everywhere. Today, ka I found Rosu, my uncle, ebe Ogbunigwe lara ya n'iyi. O bụrụ onye nwụrụ anwụ. So, o metụtakwala m ọzọ. IPOB ESN na-ewe iwe. A na-asị ka ihe ifufere ofe. Enwe ha na-akpọ na mmadụ eluzugo how many stick.
This man had gone and body against Biafrans. Yes, all the gone and body against Biafra. On na-akọwa na this video, si na ndị ESN niri Ogbunigwe. Afa niri Ogbunigwe n'Ọsụ. And Ogbunigwe anyị fo na-agbụ nwanne nwanyị. Since the mother this man, since they follow online, since we na foto online, all they go and body against Biafra. Yes, onwe ife ndị Biafra make kita kopute na emetere. Okay, ka get na iyo na-ekwu. What's that na ndị Biafra ESN niri Ogbunigwe. Ana m ajụ. All these terrorists, all these killings, all this kidnapping and na this Igbo land. And ejidefa afront the Fulani yes-men. Afront the bandits. Oga after that one. No opota one-ebo ya no ndị Biafran ESN. Yes, na wu na enwa bụ ndị Igbo. Sometimes enwa bụ ndị Igbo. Ife na-eme anyị si anyị n'aka. Yes, ife na-eme anyị na this Igbo land si anyị n'aka. It's not far from us. Because let's say this grown-up man anyị ọ na-apụta na fight against Biafrans. Na fight na said na the Biafran ESN niri Ogbunigwe n'Ọsụ. No ya mbi egburu nwanne nwanyị. Well, me play upon this full video. Ko nu ife this man na-akọ. Yes, because they are gang up against Biafra. But what I know that Biafra must surely come to pass. Yes, Biafra must surely come to pass. Just watch on this video. But please, when I'm watching this video, please don't forget to share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Tata bụ Tuesday, 20th of January, ka m wetere sad news. That's na Ogbunigwe, ndị IPOB ESN likasịrị na Lọsụ. I have been saying it in Oda village, Edenta Widemmili, and Ihitokwa. That na-ewere Ogbunigwe likasị everywhere. Today, ka I found Rosu, my uncle, ebe Ogbunigwe lara ya n'iyi. O bụrụ onye nwụrụ anwụ. So, o metụtakwala m ọzọ. IPOB ESN na-ewe iwe. A na-asị ka ihe ifufere ofe. Enwe ha na-akpọ na mmadụ eluzugo how many still counting. What is all this?
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir. Just heard Ogbunigwe sound, so we rushed down to the scene ground. So we find out that there is grandma. She went to her farm to harvest her plantain. So on her way coming back, she ran into Ogbunigwe down to this community road there. The last time they came to our barrack to inform us that they want to clear their community road, closer to this what they call civil centers road. So we follow them and they will remove one of the Ogbunigwe in that very community road they are taking to their farm. Now again, today, this morning now, this happened again. On our way coming back from the farm, the Ogbunigwe just scattered grandma, lying down on the floor, dead, with her plantain here, with her bicycle. She wanted to go to the house before she ran into the rope. Then the Ogbunigwe blew her. This is the spot of the Ogbunigwe. He set it close to the NEPA official official holes. Look at this spot that the Ogbunigwe was blown. So the thing now blew her. She struggled till she fell down with cold blood. Now I'm in the scene of the ground now. In the ground of the scene. So I said, let me do the video to send you people. Yes, sir. This is it. She's still lying down. This is the community track road. Now, the last time they would come, they said they want to clear their roads, their community road to bust out here. So to follow them up, we still remove one of the Ogbunigwe here, this very track road. Yes. So it's where the mama, the community people, that is their route. That they normally take to their farm. Which family?
Duru.
Yes. Duru family.
Duru family.
Okay. Your first daughter?
First daughter.
First daughter. Okay. Thank you.